Hey, the money in roofing, actually the money in any kind of direct response selling, door-to-door, outdoor sales, is not in the first sale you made. The first sale you made is great, and if you've just made your first sale, congratulations. But the real money is in the sale you make off the sale you just made. The domino effect. You know, when you put dominoes together, you push the first one down and several more fall. That's where the money is. It's not in selling Mrs. Jones, it's in selling Mrs. Jones's neighbor, or Mrs. Jones's grandson, or Mrs. Jones's church fellowship group, or in Mr. Jones's bowling partners. That's where the money is. In the old days of roofing, back in the 90s, early 90s, it used to be that one company would walk into a neighborhood, plant a sign, sell the roof, and then they'd sell all the other roofs up and down the block. It was in the sale after the sale. Admittedly, these days it's hard to do that because there are so many roofers out and so many people are making contact with homeowners that you walk into a neighborhood and there might be 50 homes and you see 38 different signs. Well, maybe it's not as easy as it used to be to domino through a neighborhood. However, this is true. People know people outside of their neighborhoods. So your job is to connect with the person that you sold and get them to refer you to the other people they know. Work the dominoes. This is Mike. Make it a great day.